Okay, gang. I've already got these filleted. They're Berryessa Kokanee. And I'm going to show you how to get these pin bones out. You need to get the pin bones out of these, unlike the Bullards Bar Kokanee. But you want to run your finger right along here. You feel the end of the pin bone sticking up. You can also feel when you get to the end of them, right there. What you want to do is start right here, cut right alongside them, go at an upward angle, and get in the back side of them. Go at an upward angle, and then just turn your knife and go along the skin underneath them. Pull that meat out of there with the bones in it. Just like that. You ready for the smoker. Okay, now like we did last time, put a little brown sugar on the bottom. The only difference is I'm going to put a little bit of soy sauce in here. Just a little bit like that. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Put a layer of kokanee in here. Let's see, put this one here, probably work. Now, and my last layer of kokanee. Okay guys, we're going to let these air dry and we're going to spice them up now. We're going to use this roasted garlic and herb by Weber. Put that on first. Put it on pretty liberally. This spice is pretty good. Gives it a really different flavor from the other recipe that I use with the kokanee candy. And run them right out over the sink to do them all in one go here. Okay, do that. And then we're also going to use this Cajun spice again. I like it because it still kicks it up a little bit. Get it nice and spicy there. Now you want to put this spice on right when you put them out here to air dry, because this stuff will kind of soak down into the brown sugar that's on there and then glaze over. Helps hold all the spice on your meat while it's smoking. And there we go. Now we'll let it set for a couple hours and then we're ready to smoke. Okay, gang, it's been a couple hours. These things are air dry. They look pretty good. So I think I'm gonna put them on the smoker. Now, if you notice, I got the smaller ones down here and the bigger ones down here. So these are gonna be my top racks, working down to my lowest rack, because this one doesn't get as hot down here. I want to put my smaller kokanee on there. So let's get to it. Okay, get the last of these out of here.